Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords autofill. Firstly, just open Devices settings and scroll down to access Google section. Over here. Then click on Autofill. Autofill with Google. And this blue sweater next to Use Autofill with Google. So when I do that, as you can see, Google Autofill was successfully disabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!